Understanding why worry in English. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the simple, yet profound phrase, why worry? Let's dive in and explore its usage, meaning, and the context in which you might encounter it. Why worry is a rhetorical question that suggests that worrying is not necessary or helpful. It's often used to comfort someone or to suggest that a situation is not as bad as it seems. The phrase implies that worrying will not change the outcome and encourages a more positive outlook. This phrase can be used in casual conversations, especially when trying to reassure someone. For example, if a friend is anxious about an upcoming exam, you might say, "Why worry? You've studied hard and you're well prepared." It's a way of saying, don't stress too much about it. Using "why worry" can have a calming effect. It can help reduce stress and anxiety by putting things into perspective. It's a reminder that some things are beyond our control, and sometimes, it's best to focus on what we can control instead of fretting over what we cannot. There are several variations of this phrase, such as, "Don't worry about it," or "No need to worry." They all serve the same purpose, to alleviate concern and promote a more relaxed state of mind. And that's it for today's lesson on the phrase, why worry? Remember, it's a powerful two-word question that can help shift a negative mindset to a more positive one. We hope this video has been insightful and helps you worry a little less in your daily life. Keep learning, and don't forget to smile and stay positive.